Hi everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, and I am thrilled to be with my friend Terry Santos with
Hello.
David Weekley Homes. You all know her, you all love her, and today she's in the Junction at 20 Mile. And this community is almost sold out, so you need to come see her today. And I'm excited because this is a quick move-in home available for you, and boy is it outstanding. Thanks for having us, Terry.
Thank you for being here. So this is our Cesery model, and it's 89 total square foot, and 3-car garage home. As you can see, the 3 bays, paver driveway is included, and this home has 50-year shingles as well. Beautiful front porch area.
Beautiful. This front porch is great, but also the size of this driveway.
Yep,
You can
let
get
me
that
turn around.
rolling, only because you can not only you have the 3 bays for the cars, but you have this huge driveway that's so wide. You could put a little basketball hoop. You can throw balls with your kids, or if you have a bunch of adults, boy, is this a party driveway. So I love the amount of space you have. And then let's go inside. Let me just open this for you.
Let's go inside.
I love this.
Wow.
This is a great open floor plan that you're going to see as Terry takes us through it.
So on this side we have the study, and the study has French doors. Nice open space with tons of natural light coming through, so if you have anyone that works from home and needs an office, this is a nice private space that's in the front of the home. And as we walk through, in the first floor, we have the laundry room to our left.
Nice sized laundry room. Everyone knows I love a laundry room. This is very wide. You have a great area to fold your clothes on the right-hand side. Ignore what you're seeing in the boxes.
Just a box.
Yeah, ignore all that. And also, I want to point out, when Terry was talking about that front room over there, the office, people work out of their homes so much here, but the way the windows are higher up, you have so much wall space to put desks and other pieces of furniture. So I do love that about David Weekley
Absolutely,
Homes.
yes. So here we have the drop zone and the garage entry. Nice storage closet here by the mudroom area, so you can hang coats or just
That's
have a nice
huge.
little storage area by the entrance of the garage.
Yeah.
The 3-car garage also offers attic storage, so it's a 10 by 12 space where you can store without having to go out and maybe pay for additional monthly storage.
That's
so
crazy.
storage is important.
A whole nother room, basically, in your attic.
Yes.
So very smart. This room, everyone, we are on the first floor. This is a beautiful private room away from the rest of the home with its own bathroom. And if you have a mom, a dad, an older relative living with you, this is a great space to put them in, and it's safe on the first floor. So I want to mention that because multi-generational living is so popular. So this would be a great floor plan for you. This does have a powder room, Carly, so I just want people to know that you do not have to share with that owner on the first floor. So I do love that. Okay, look at this open space.
Very, very open, as you can see. Beautiful white kitchen with quartz countertop. Over here, Carly, if you want to zoom in, we have double ovens, KitchenAid appliances that have been upgraded. You have a 5-burner cooktop. Tons of cabinet space. KitchenAid upgraded dishwasher.
Huge island, plenty of places to sit behind it, but if you love to entertain or cook, this is a cook's kitchen for sure. And I do love that y'all did the double ovens, because some people are getting away from that. I love double ovens. I have double ovens myself. I use them both. So I think that's a smart thing that David Weekley Homes put in.
Yeah, drawer microwave here at the island as well. And as you can see, tons of cabinetry space. Space here for your pots and pans underneath the cooktop, and tons of prep space here on the side. Beautiful tile backsplash as well.
Love that. And then Carly, when you back out, if there's a way you can come around the island, so you can see as we're going in to this eating space, you could call it a dining room, but it's not a dining room, it's not formal, but look what David Weekley Homes put in. This is breathtaking, the chair rail, and what is this called again?
Picture molding.
The picture molding, but look how it carries into the white cabinets in the kitchen. That is so rich looking. Absolutely beautiful.
Tons of windows for natural lighting, and if you notice also how we place the windows a little bit higher, so if you're having dinner with your family, you have some privacy, but you still have a lot of natural light coming through.
And that's something to point out that Terry just said, this home has a lot of privacy. And it also is on a preserved lot, so you have nobody living behind you. Lots of nature out there. This is going to be beautiful in the evenings to sit down. Long back patio area.
Yes, this home has the extended lanai with the high ceilings, as you can see. Plenty of room out back, and look at that beautiful nature preserve in the back.
Beautiful.
Isn't that amazing?
This is breathtaking.
Let me get a shot from right here.
Yeah, and also with how wide these lots are, you have a lot of space. If you do end up having young people moving into this home, there is plenty of space to run around. But also if you're a dog owner, there is plenty of room also for your dog to run around.
Yes.
Which is important, because these are big lots. Very nice.
And you have a nice opening here in the sliders too, if you
Oh,
want to
I
point
love
that
this.
out. So if you screen in the porch and create a nice outdoor entertainment area, you can leave this and have a nice open space here between the family room
Absolutely.
and the exterior.
And you already have the hookups to put hang your television, hooking the cord down, which is so nice. Yeah, this is really one of my favorite floor plans that David Weekley has done. I love this. So now we're going into the owner's suite. So again, on the opposite side of the house, we're separate from everything. So you have a lot of privacy and a beautiful picture window. Again, you're looking at that preserved area.
Yes, and here we also did the hardwood floors in the master. So you have the hardwood floors throughout the main areas in the master suite. You can see the detail of the crown molding, Mrs. can lights here as well. And just think of or imagine your bed being positioned over into that area, looking over that beautiful preserve.
And this is your property that you're looking at out this window. So that's important to know. Again, these big lots, that is your own property. You're not looking at your neighbors, and total privacy in this owner's suite. I love the tile that y'all chose, by the way, in this bathroom.
Isn't that beautiful?
I really love that.
Yeah, very spacious. The owner's bath, you can see the glass enclosed shower with the beautiful detailed tile on the floor as well.
And you carry the tile to the ceiling. I just think that is always such a nice touch.
Separate sinks, which a lot of people look for. They want their own separate sinks area.
I'm glad you did that. And a nice garden tub, which is great. And then we do have a linen closet. I want to point that out really quick. I just love a linen closet. Okay, we're about to go into the showstopper, and I did already peek in, so I already fainted a few minutes ago. But everyone, this closet, I promise you, it is huge! It's huge! But this is what I love that David Weekley put in. They ended up separating the closet, so if you do have two people, then you have this great island, and look, drawers, beautiful drawers that you can put your jewelry in or your socks, whatever you need. I can't say enough, but Terry, talk to us again always about what David Weekley puts in their homes in the closets.
So this is our luggage rack, and it's basically part of the home is framed in. It's not framing, so that way you can store your heavier items up there and be able to have more free space in the closet. And back here you can see also how we did some racks for shoe placement as well.
This closet truly is a dream.
A dream.
I mean, if you don't own a lot of clothes, you better go buy it. You have plenty of space. But again, that was something different that we haven't seen the builders do by putting in that beautiful cabinetry and island area and putting your sunglasses, your fabulous purses, your jewelry. I love it. So as we're going upstairs, I want to remind people that we again are in the Junction at 20 Mile with David Weekley Homes, only a few homes left. But the Junction is less than 4.5 miles to the ocean. And there is a sidewalk the entire way, so you could ride your bike to Ponte Vedra Beach, which would be phenomenal. Also, we are only steps away from 20 Mile Post, which is a great dog park. It has an agility course for small dogs and an agility course for large. So this is just a great location in 20 Mile, the Junction.
Yes, a great location, and we are this is one of our last 4 homes left in this community. So one of the few opportunities to own a home, a David Weekley home in the Junction at 20 Mile.
Oh, it's gonna sell quickly. I'm not even worried. And David Weekley Homes, such a great reputation. They've been with the Nocatee family for so many years now, which is wonderful. Okay, so let's stop to talk about this space. We just hit 2 bedrooms that share a great bath. Now we're going to a separate, another full bath, and another large bedroom. So many options up here, because if you don't need these bedrooms because you don't have necessarily 3 kids or what have you, you can use it for game rooms, craft rooms. It's endless, this space up here.
Absolutely, it's a great retreat. So for families to be able to gather and be able to have a sofa or even a craft room, like you said, it's basically a multi-purpose space.
Karen, you better stand by me, girl. You better stand. First of all, David Weekley Homes, you love them, we love them. We love Terry though. So you need to come see Terry, because literally, y'all, this is 4 opportunities left in the Junction, and when they're gone, they're gone. 20 Mile is a desirable area. It's on the northeast corner of Nocatee. Really one of the best master plans communities in the United States. So thanks for watching Walk Through Wednesday. I'm Heather with Terry. Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Bye.